Myself, Maria, Michael and Habiba and Michaela, we talked about where your different makes are at and what still needs to happen with them. Does anyone have any questions? Is anyone raring to get back to making? Yes! Let's go! They begin by exploring how to connect up the different components to the Hummingbird Robotics Kit using the microbit adapter and the microbit. Then they learn how to program that microbit to make stuff happen in the real world.
All of these wires are connected up to the tail, the eyes and the mouth.
I'm just fixing how the tail moves, and it's a dragon. The ears and the top is going to light up and the pincers will start moving. They already work but it's not plugged in. Like a scorpion.
After that we begin introducing them to recycling and all the different materials and how they might be able to reuse materials before they're thrown away.
Corners like all the stuff where we got all our building resources, like so we needed boxes for bodies and bottle tops for decoration. Right now I'm looking for some polystyrene, like fun. It's like a meerkat, but it's not really finished. It's a meerkat, and it's going to have a tail as well.
It is working, tail is working, the eyes are lighting up, it's just the mouth. It needs to be glued down, which is very tricky since it's my third time gluing that down.
It looks like you'll need to cut out this section so you can see a bit of the mouth and a bit of the tongue. We've got 45 minutes left to make before we're going to go over to Habiba and Michaela and hear some more about recycling. So we need to really focus.
Landfill, so it always ends up having that ash from burning that rubbish which has to go somewhere, so it goes to landfill.
But if you do this, then it comes back again and again, and you bring it back into play, and you make it into something new again and again.
We're able to spread their learning across 2.5 days, but all of those 2.5 days, whereas in a school environment it would be an hour one day, an hour a week later. You know, that's kind of going to make it very difficult for them to really understand what they're doing and apply it.
We're sticking this on the glue, so and it's going to be removable on the project, so it's easy to take off if you wanted to just stand. There's a problem with the code, so you have to get off it and come back on it, and then when the sensor is working, when the light you fix the code.
All I'm going to do is stick a board onto the feet, then I'm finished.
Truth, does it work? Look! And the fire as well? Oh my goodness, high five! Woo! Well done!
So inside there's this winch and there's the string that's pulling it forward.
That's cool. I like it. Yeah, so it just feeds with a sensor. I see the smile on your face.
What's it called?
Firebot.
Firebot, because it's a
Breathing dragonfire.
Well, it's something positive to do during the school holidays. Anything we can do for him, that means he's not sitting in front of the TV.
All these young people who have given me hope and inspiration for the future. So basically, they've opened my eyes, touched my heart, and turned me around.
It has been an utter success, in my opinion, from the makes behind. The children have used such a variation of ideas. They've all got different creatures they've come up with. They've all used different mechanisms to make them work, or use mechanisms in different ways to work with. So for me, that's something that's been really great out of this particular workshop too.
Very fun, and I really like it over here. And I hope that there's another thing like this, and Sue, Maria, and Michael come back.